Hello guys, I have a problem under inequality that I want you to follow me and learn. So let's start. We have a question. The first instruction, look at the inequality. I want to believe you can see it very well. The first instruction is to solve the inequality, and that is just what we are going to do. So let's start. Let's solve the inequality, okay? This is the question already. Now, the first thing we need to do is to clear the fraction. And how do you clear the fraction? You multiply through by the LCM of the denominator. And the LCM of 3 and 5 is actually 15. Okay, so we have the LCM. So we're going to multiply through just to clear the fraction. So we are going to have 15 times, we have 4x minus 1, which I will appreciate if you put it in bracket. It's going to help you a lot, okay? Minus, then we have 15 times, you have 1 plus 2x. We're going to have over 5. Then less than or equals to, we have 15. Then we have times 5. Then we have plus 15 times 2x. I think we're moving fine. Now let me show you how it's going to take care of the fraction. You see 3 here 1 and 3 here 5. So we are going to have 5 into 4x minus 1. Good. 5 here 1, 5 here 3. We are going to have minus 3 into 1 plus 2x. Very important. Then less than or equals to 15 times 5 is 75. All right. Then we are going to have plus 30x. Wow. Now, once you have this, the next thing you need to do is to expose everything so that you can collect like terms. 5 times 4x is 20x. Then minus 5. Then we have minus 3. Then minus 6x. Then less than or equals to, we are going to have our 75. Then plus 30x. Simplifying further, 20x minus 6x is going to be 14x. Then minus 5 minus 3 is going to be minus 8. Less than or equals to, we have 75 plus 30x. All right, good. So we collect the like terms. This is a juncture where we collect like terms, all the x on one side, 14x. Then this 30x, once it's crossing over the inequality sign, it changes to minus 30x. Then less than or equals to, now minus 8 will move over, is going to be 75, then plus 8. Okay, that is what it is. And the next thing we have to do, 14x minus 30x, you are going to have minus 16x. Less than or equals to, we have 75 plus 78 is going to give us 83. So we're moving. Now, this is what we should take note of. We are going to divide all through by minus 16 so that we can get our x. Now, this is minus 16x. Then we'll divide by minus 16. And whatever we'll do on the left-hand side, we'll do on the right-hand side also. So this 83, not 88, sorry. 83. We have 83 over minus 16. Now, watching it, you see this, we cancel this. So we have x. Now, but listen, there is one important detail that you need to know. Once you are multiplying through by, or you are dividing through by a negative, the sign changes. Since we divided through by minus 16, the sign will change to the opposite. So from being this, it will now turn to be like this. All right? Because we divided through by a negative. Now, then we are going to simplify this to be like 83 over 16. Now, simplifying further, either leaving it as decimal or leaving it as a mixed fraction, this is what you are going to have. This minus, okay, this is going to be 5 whole number, then we have 3 over 16. All right, very important. If you want to leave it as a decimal, it's going to be greater than minus 5.1875. So we can have it as minus 5.2, okay, to one decimal place. So we have our answer for the A part of the question. So we are good. So let's go to the B part of the question. We are actually to represent our solution on a number line for the B part. So let's move and get the B part done in no time. the B part now. Okay. What we are going to do now, let's get a sketch of a number line. We're having a sketch of a number line. Okay, let me take it like this. Okay, very good. Now let's displace, since we need more of negative, let's have this place as a 0. So here is going to be -1, here -2, here -3, here -4, here -5, here -6, here -7. Okay, here let's say we have 1 and we have 2, and that is it. Now let's go. Now you see what we have here is -5.2. Okay, so it's a little bit to this side. So let's say -5.2 is around this side. So let's take it up. Okay, this is 5.2. Now we have it this. Now if you check it, we have an equal to sign attached to it, not just greater, but it's greater than or equal to. So we are going to tick in this, okay, just to take care of that. Then let's see. You see, once you move towards the right, you are moving, showing that it is actually greater. Okay, so this is what we have. So actually, this, if you have x here, it shows that x is actually greater or equal to -5.2. So that is the number line part of it. So we are done with the B part. So let's move to the C part of the question. What says the C part? The instruction, the C part is list the 3 lowest values of x. So let's move. All right, good. So the C part now. Now from the number line, which is very okay, once you have the number line, it can lead, it will actually help you to work out that C part of the question. So what are the values that x can actually be? Now, so x can actually be -5, because -5 is actually greater than -5.2. X could be -4, it could be -3, it could be -2, it could be -1, it could be 0, it could be 1, it could be 2, it could be, down to infinity positive. Now the question says the lowest, let me get it good, the 3 lowest values. Now the 3 lowest values of x, that is the 3 lowest values of x that x can ever be, will be this first 3. All right, so therefore the answer to the C part of the question will be -5, -4, and -3. Those are the 3 lowest values of x as far as this question is concerned. So we're done, we're good with it. Just continue to watch and subscribe for more videos. And I want to believe you are going to get a very, very, very good understanding of mathematics.